Hi everyone, my name is Swati, Assistant Professor in Computer Science at Sir CRR College, Eluru. Today I would like to explain the topic data structures. In this video I will discuss define data structure and types of data structures. What is data structure? Data plus structure. Data plus structure. Data means collection of information. Data means collection of information. Collection of information is called data, and structure means we have to declare data in the form of structures. Here we have a definition of data structure: the logical and mathematical model of a particular organization participate in the single member is called a data structure. And now coming to types of data structures. Types of data structures. In this we have two types of data structures. One is primitive data structure, and another one is non-primitive data structures. We are using the word primitive data structure is also called built-in data structures. Built-in data structure. In non-primitive data structure, we are using user-defined data structure. User-defined data structure. Built-in data structure and user-defined data structure. Primitive data structure is again divided into, these are the examples of primitive data structures. Those are int, char, float, boolean. Int, char, float and boolean. These are the built-in data structures. While we are using in C language, these are called predefined data types. Predefined data types. In C language we call it as a predefined data types. And coming to non-primitive data structures. Non-primitive data structures is again divided into linear data structure and non-linear data structure. Linear data structure and non-linear data structure. Linear means continuous order. Linear data structure means the structure follows continuously, and non-linear data structure means uncontinuous data. That means in again linear data structures, that examples are arrays. The examples of linear data structures are arrays, stack, queues and linked list. Non-linear data structures. Non-linear data structure examples are trees and graphs. Non-linear data structures examples are trees and graphs, and the linear data structure examples are arrays, stack, queues and linked list. Now I would like to explain what is an array. An array is a collection of similar type of data elements in a contiguous memory location. Okay, how to declare an array? We have to declare the array name, data type, variable name, data type, variable name, size of the data. What it is called? Size of array. Size of array. This is the syntax of arrays. And next, stack. What is stack? Stack, it is a last in first out manner. Stack follows last in first out manner. What is stack? It follows last in first out manner. In this stack, the insertion and deletion can take place at only one end, that is called top end. In stacks, we can discuss the insertion and deletion of the elements at one end, that is called top end. Whereas in Q follows first in first out manner. Q follows first in first out manner. In this, the values is one end and the deletion takes place at another end. Insertion takes place is rear and deletion takes place in front. Rear is used for insertion and front is used for deletion. Insertion and deletion. These two are the Q operations. These two are the Q operations. And now linked list. What is linked list? The collection of similar data types. But we need not to allocate the values contiguously. That is called linked list. And now I will explain non-linear data structures. Those are trees and graphs. Non-linear data structures are trees and graphs. Trees means the representation is hierarchical form. In trees, the representation is hierarchical form. That means this is the root node. In trees, this element is called root node and these two are the child nodes. This is the way of hierarchical. So, tree is represented as hierarchical way and graphs we represent graph. It is called representation of the non-linear data structure. This is to use to relate the two nodes. Here we have A node and B node, and this we have to relate the two nodes. That is called graphs. And another one is pointer. And another one is non-linear data structure is pointer. Pointer means it stores the address of the element. So pointer represents star PTR. We can declare the pointer like star PTR. It means it stores the address of this variable. This is called pointer.